Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what we have here. We have a 2004 Volvo XC70 and it has a blown headlight. This one actually works. You can kind of see it right there. It's shiny. This one is dead. So today we're going to show you how to replace a headlight. First, you just want to go into the driver's side, kind of where the pedals are, and you want to pop the hood. And this little lever right here helps you pop the hood, so you just grab it and pop it. Then you just approach the hood, kind of stick your fingers in. You're kind of feeling for a latch, and when you feel a latch, I'll kind of show you. This kind of latch right here is what you're looking for. You just bring it up, and you're ready to look at your headlight. Now this might be hard to see, but you see this kind of a round cap thing here. You got a plastic one there on the left side, and you could also see it here on the right. But you first have to get those things off. So you have to kind of get your hand in there and kind of work it out, kind of a twisting motion. You just kind of pull it out. And there you go. And then if you can see here, let's see if I can focus in right here. There's a little kind of a wire spring that you sort of bring up and kind of pop out. You can see this little spring right here, this little latch. It kind of holds the light in. And then after you get that thing off, you can kind of stick your hand in there and try to pry out. Let me get my hand in there. And you can kind of see on the other side that the light's kind of moving, and you can kind of wiggle it out until this whole thing, again, get this thing out of here. This whole thing should come up like this. And that there is your light. So here's the replacement bulb. This is not cheap. This is about $100 bulb. So if you don't feel comfortable doing this, don't do it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. I'm gonna kind of push in and twist a little bit on this plate. So hold on, let's see if okay, so I did get it loose. So I kind of pushed in a little bit, twisted counterclockwise, and then it should just kind of pop off. It's hard to do this with one hand. There we go. There we go, I got it out. So it comes out just like that. Okay, so before I take this out of the box, I just want to tell you, don't touch the light portion of the headlight. Just grab the base and do that and try to install it without touching the light itself. And you're just going to reverse the process as you took it out. Okay, and the new one is in. Now very carefully, without damaging the light itself, you need to rotate it back in and make sure that this portion on the bottom here is pointing down, the part that looks like a plug. So I'll put my camera down for a sec and install this. So with it in, and you kind of have to wiggle it in to make sure it fits, you're just reinstalling these little clips so they will hold it down. And so after a lot of effort getting this thing back in, the light works. So don't forget to put the cap back on. Kind of again, you have to kind of work it in. This might be a little bit difficult to get on again, so let me use two hands to get it on. And there you go, the cap's back on. The light is working. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.